Welcome to my channel Auto Revex. The 2025 Honda NC750X DCT stands as a testament to Honda's commitment to blending practicality with performance. This adventure-styled motorcycle has been a favorite among riders seeking versatility, and the latest model brings a host of refinements that enhance its appeal. At its core lies a 745cc liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine, delivering a balanced 57.8 horsepower at 6,750 revolutions per minute and a robust 69 Nm of torque at 4,750 revolutions per minute. This powerplant is mated to Honda's innovative dual-clutch transmission, DCT, which has been updated for 2025 to offer smoother low-speed responsiveness, making city commutes and tight maneuvers more effortless than ever. The NC750X's design has been subtly refreshed, featuring sharper lines and a more aggressive stance. A new LED headlight not only improves visibility but also adds to the bike's modern aesthetic. The introduction of a 5-inch TFT display brings a contemporary touch to the cockpit, offering clear visuals and seamless integration with Honda RoadSync for smartphone connectivity. This allows riders to access navigation, calls, and music without taking their hands off the handlebars. One of the NC750X's standout features remains its practicality. The innovative 23-liter storage compartment, located where the fuel tank would traditionally be, provides ample space for a full-face helmet or daily essentials. This design choice not only lowers the bike's center of gravity but also enhances stability. The actual fuel tank is positioned under the seat, contributing to the bike's balanced weight distribution. In terms of performance, the NC750X doesn't disappoint. The updated DCT system offers multiple riding modes, including Sport, Rain, and Standard, allowing riders to tailor the bike's behavior to their preferences and riding conditions. The inclusion of Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) with 3 levels of intervention ensures optimal traction across various terrains. Additionally, the bike's fuel efficiency is commendable, boasting an average consumption of approximately 3.6 liters per 100 kilometers, making it an economical choice for both city and long-distance rides. Safety and handling have also seen improvements. The 2025 model introduces dual 296mm front disc brakes, replacing the previous single-disc setup, providing enhanced stopping power and confidence. The suspension system comprises 41mm telescopic front forks and a Pro-Link rear monoshock, ensuring a comfortable ride over varying road conditions. The bike's dimensions, including a seat height of 802mm and a wet weight of 226 kg for the DCT version, strike a balance between accessibility and stability. Honda's commitment to sustainability is evident in the NC750X's construction. The use of recyclable materials in the bodywork, including the application of Durabio, a bio-resin, reflects a move towards more environmentally friendly manufacturing practices. This approach not only reduces the bike's environmental footprint but also showcases Honda's forward-thinking ethos. Customization options for the NC750X are plentiful. Riders can opt for accessories such as an adjustable windscreen, heated grips, and a center stand, enhancing comfort and convenience. The bike is available in several new color schemes, including Earth Ivy Ash Green and Fighting Red, allowing riders to express their personal style. In summary, the 2025 Honda NC750X DCT continues to uphold its reputation as a reliable, versatile, and user-friendly motorcycle. Its blend of practical features, technological advancements, and thoughtful design make it an excellent choice for a wide range of riders, from daily commuters to weekend adventurers. If enjoyed the video, don't forget like, subscribe and press bell icon. With its latest updates, the North Carolina 750X DCT not only meets but exceeds expectations, solidifying its position in Honda's lineup as a go-to all-rounder.